Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Thursday the 23rd of November 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day by using @DS_Pepperstone on Twitter. Right, let's look at overnight price changes and moves to be aware of. Relatively quiet as we head into one of the most important US holidays of the year. But let's just focus on a couple of points. The euro seems to have completely shrugged off the political problems in Germany, trading 118.2750 shortly before we went live. Cable has added to the gains it's made earlier in the week after the UK budget, 133.2450, the British pound trading there against the US dollar. Perhaps the most surprising move, and maybe almost the stealthiest move of recent days, has been that of the yen, 111.29, the yen trading against the dollar here, and the dollar index itself trading at 93.23. We'll have a look at some of the reasons for that momentarily. So here is the yen, and I've just noted this because the yen appears to have strengthened during a phase of risk on, which is unusual, but you can clearly see the move over the last few days, and it's very pronounced into yesterday. Will be interesting to see what happens today with the US closed. Okay, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the market today. Well, even though the US is closed, we've still got plenty to hold our attention. First of all, at 7 o'clock GMT, we'll have GDP data out of Germany, and that will also be followed by at 8:30 PMI composite services and manufacturing reads for November. Preliminary reads these, but nonetheless they'll be watched closely. At 8:35, just after you've digested that German PMI, the ECB's PRIA will be making a speech, first of several central bank speeches today. Then at 9 o'clock, composite services and manufacturing PMI data for the wider Eurozone, and at 9:30 GMT, GDP reads for the UK for Q3. We'll also have at 12:30 the ECB monetary policy meeting accounts. There may be some interesting data in there about ECB bond buying. 16:30 another central bank speech, this time the SNB's chairman Jordan will be speaking. And finally at 18:15 the ECB's Kur will be speaking to finish off today's central bank speech rounds. Now, if you're still in the market at 21.45 tonight, you can feast your eyes on New Zealand trade balance data for October, and at 23.50 foreign investment in Japan stocks and bonds. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, the reason for the weakness in the dollar and the strength of the yen. The Fed minutes released last night showed a division among the members of the FOMC over inflation, or the lack of it, and future rate rises. So something for Jerome Powell, the new presumed incoming Fed chair, to consider as he takes up his post. Meanwhile, in Australia, gold and iron ore prices have shown signs of improvement, and that's helped to push Aussie mining shares higher in Sydney trading. Singapore's GDP to the end of September has come in ahead of forecasts, so another good set of numbers from an Asian tiger. Meanwhile, the Bank of Mexico has cut its 2017 growth forecast, blaming natural disasters that have struck the country in recent months for the reduction. And just to remind traders again that it is the Thanksgiving holiday in the USA today. USA markets close today and for much of tomorrow too. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And as we consider the end of the year and the turn into 2018, many strategists are indeed becoming bullish once more on US equities in 2018. But the question I'd like to ask is, has the market been led higher by just a few stocks in 2017, i.e. has the breadth been narrow? Well, some interesting research from Bloomberg and Stratigas Research Partners suggests that's not the case. And in fact, here you can see that the S&P 500 has had a bigger market breadth than previous rallies in 2007 and in 1999. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange and margin can be a risky business. If you are in any doubt about those risks or have any other questions, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative.